Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This video goes on self introduction. I want to tell you how to introduce yourself in English for the job purpose or for the classroom purpose, for the any interview purpose. Let's start how to introduce yourself in the English. Good morning sir or madam. First of all, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me. My name is Alina. I am from Calcutta. I have completed my high school in Calcutta. I have completed my graduation in Calcutta. I have completed my post graduation in Dharwad Rani Chennamma University. I am belongs to farmer family. My hobbies are read the newspaper, watch the movies, play the cricket and play the legori, etc. And my strength are I am honest person, I am a self motivated person, I am a self inspiration person. My weakness, I trust everyone very easily. That's all about me. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe my channel.